Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL Tonight. One of Jamaica's leading investment banks, security dealers, that's Barita Investments Limited. They've been on a tear, lots of good earnings from them here. Dividend consideration, Barita's board of directors coming out with an advisory that they're going to be meeting closer to the end of this month, that's September 29th, 2022, to consider a resolution for the declaration of an interim dividend. Look out for a good one here by Barita. Now, Sepra Limited trading in their shares here. Advisory to the JSE Jamaica Stock Exchange, a senior manager selling approximately 7,500 shares of Seprod on September 1st. Honeybun 1982 Limited, the bakery, been really churning up, billions and billions of dollars on that top line there. Some good growth coming out of the Honeybun team there. Change of management here. Honeybun 1982, pleased to announce that Miss Paula Cameron has been engaged as the company's financial controller, FC, effective August 1st. 2022. Now, the release goes on to state that Ms. Cameron has over 25 years of experience, a lot of experience there in various accounting roles and auditing, both locally in Jamaica and overseas international markets, with proven ability to plan and implement controls that increase profitability. We like that on Business Live, great to see, and Honeybun is already very profitable as a publicly traded company. Now, Express Catering Limited, ECL, continues to rebound. Talk about a nice first quarter here. Profits up 15%. Of course, for the audited financials that came up before this, all 4 quarters, a full year, and that was a real big time rebound, and it continues here in the first quarter for Express Catering. They needed this, the company in MBJ or Mobay Airport. First quarter ended August 31st, reporting revenue hitting just under $5 million US bucks. That's 4.91 million US, increasing from 3.63 million year over year. Now, the net profit for the quarter improved about 650,000 US versus 565K or 565,000 US year over year. And total equity, key metric or figure for Express Catering, closed just under 4 million bucks. The big news though, global central bank rates just increasing across the board globally, as we just said. And of course, leading that is the US Federal Reserve yesterday increased rates with the headline just fight against inflation, or just fighting inflation. And the tone coming out even more aggressive now to expect another big rate increase this year, but just overall just setting that kind of pace or tone that they're going to keep at it. Not just the US, but in the UK, the Bank of England, Swiss rates going up. We're going to talk about that. So let's get to the point here. US Fed rates up 75 basis points yesterday, coming out now something like, the range, instead of like 2.25, 2.5, like, roughly 3.25 or so. And the UK Bank of England raised rates by 50 basis points, 0.5%. So across the board, globally, as we said, and Swiss rates increased as well. So we're seeing that 3 big time names there going up, 0.5% to 0.75%. Of course, Turkey, which is probably sideways, I'd say, or upside down, actually decreasing interest rates. Not sure what's going on there. Their inflation is just a whole other ball game, whole other figure. We'll have to take that in a different or separate Business Live. I am Mark Croskery. Have a fantastic evening, and this is Business Live.